FutureMakers. Welcome to TeacherPreneur. The art of teaching is the art of assisting discovery. The best teachers are not those who tell you what to do, but they are the ones who tell you where to go. If you're an aspirant to become an IB teacher, you would understand these words very clearly because in IB board, kids are free to develop, learn, and grow on their own. Hence, education becomes a lifelong learning journey for the teachers as well as the students. With the onset of so many boards, BA degree will not be sufficient for you to secure a job for an IB school teacher. So then what do we require to become an IB school teacher? You do not have to worry because in today's video, TeacherPreneur will give you complete details about how you can become an IB teacher. We will discuss in depth what is IB board, what do teachers of IB board get paid, what do they have to learn, what courses they have to do, and how much will be the fees, and what will be the eligibility criteria, and much more. So if you are aiming to earn well by becoming an IB teacher, then I think you must watch today's video till the end because all the details are absolutely important. Now without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, coming to what is IB? IB stands for International Baccalaureate. Basically, IB is a global leader which has various programs for school-age students to make them more confident with the knowledge. Best thing about IB schools is that they encourage the children to take ownership of their own learning. They equip their kids with all the life skills that the kids will require in the actual life. And hence the kids are very confident and they use their skills to earn money and become better leaders in the society. Now I will tell you what do you get as an IB school teacher. Number one, you are given access to premium teaching resources, evaluation tools, and innovative education frameworks. Number two, as an IB teacher, you will become a high quality professional and hence you will earn income based on how much efforts you put into the school. Number three, if you get an IB school teacher certification, not only in India but all over the world, wherever you go, you have an opportunity to earn very good money. Number four, your teaching methodology and the way you look at teaching profession will completely change because IB certification will help you in preparing students for lifelong learning and not only the studies of the school. Hence, you will get a wholesome approach to education and you will fall in love with the process of teaching and learning. On an average, an IB school teacher is usually get paid at least 30,000 to 40,000 a month based on how good your skills are. IB schools not only aim at growth of the students but also of their teachers. So they are constantly doing things to make you a better teacher. Once you get into an IB board, you will fall in love with the growth process of your own self. You will be amazed to see how far you've come in your journey of becoming a teacher. Now that we know the basics, let's hop on to what is the eligibility criteria for becoming an IB school teacher. To become an IB teacher, you need a minimum experience of 2 years of teaching. You also should have a B.Ed degree, which is Bachelor in Education. And lastly, you must be graduated in the same subject that you wish to teach in the school. For example, if you want to teach English as a subject, then you must have your bachelor's with English as a main subject. Okay, now that you're convinced that IB school is a thing and you can try for it, let me tell you how to become an IB school teacher. The first and the foremost step is to go on this link. This link will also be provided in the description box below. Once you click on the link, you will directly be taken to the main website. Step number 2. You have to choose the program based on the grade that you wish to teach. If you wish to teach kindergarten to grade 5, then you must take their primary program, which is PYP. If you wish to teach grade 6 to grade 10, then you should take their middle year program, which is MYP. And if you wish to teach grade 10 to 12, then you must go for the diploma or high school program. Once you've chosen the program, the step number 3 is to select the mode of doing the program. It could be online or face-to-face. Let me tell you a thing. There is absolutely no difference between online and offline mode, so you can choose whatever you can. Now, step number 4 is to choose the university from which you want to do these programs. In India, there are two universities. One is Aga Khan University in Hyderabad, and the second is Christ. It's a deemed to be university based in Bangalore. If you are someone who wants to do a offline mode or face-to-face education, then you can contact these two institutions for the dates and timings. After this, you have to select which category of workshop you want to do. You have to select the first category if you're an absolutely new teacher. You can select the second category if you have at least 2+ years of teaching experience in an IB school. And you can choose category number 3 if you want to take leadership positions in the school. But let me tell you, it comes after the first two completion and a lot of experience in an IB school. If you're absolutely new, I think you must go for the first category only. After you've selected the category, finally, it is time for you to input your region, your dates of registration, and your subject. With this, we are almost done with the registration process. Now it's time to fill in your details and click on the register button and get started with your professional journey into teaching. The duration of this course is around 1 month only. But remember, this course will have a lot of assessments and assignments, so you have to be in your active mode and you cannot take a chance in that 1 month. So I think you should dedicate that complete month only to upgrade yourself. Lastly, coming to the fees that you have to pay for these certifications. The fees usually ranges from 40,000 to 45,000 rupees. But I believe that whatever you pay will be worth it. Whenever you're making an investment in upgrading or upskilling yourself, you should look at it from the ROI point of view, which means how will you get return on the investment that you've put in. Trust me, by just putting 40 to 45,000 INR, you'll start earning 30,000 from the first month itself. So it's a win-win situation. You're basically paying your first 2 months of salary to get lifetime of the income that you've dreamed of. So if you're on the fence, I think you must go for it. So that's it for today's video. At the end, I would only like to tell you that education is not the filling of the pot, but it is the lighting of the fire. If you become an IB teacher, you will actually light up the minds of so many curious kids throughout your career, and I'll be very proud of you. All the best in your journey of becoming a better teacher. If you like today's video, do hit the like button. If you have any doubts regarding the IB school certification, put them in the comment section below and we'll be happy to help you. Share this video with your teacher friends and family and subscribe to TeacherPreneur and press that bell icon to be a part of our FutureMakers family. See you soon.